Hello guys, this is Preeti Roila and today's topic is carbohydrates. In our environment, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is present in abundant amount. As we already know the amount of percentage of these carbons, hydrogen and oxygen. General formula of General formula for carbohydrate is CH2O whole N, means carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are present in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 1, that is 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Sources of carbohydrates are honey, potato, banana, rice and wheat. Honey is the richest source of carbohydrates. Culture of honeybee is known as apiculture. Potato. National Potato Research Institute is situated in Kufri, that is in Shimla. Banana. National Banana Research Institute is situated in Trichy, that is in Tamil Nadu. And last one is rice. National Rice Research Institute is situated in Cuttack, that is in Odisha. Rice ball of India is known as Chhattisgarh, while rice ball of world is known as China. Types of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are further divided into three parts, that is monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides formula is C6H12O6, while formula of disaccharide is C12H22O11, and last one is polysaccharide, that is C6H10O5 whole N. Monosaccharide is converted into disaccharides by the process of anabolism, and this is converted into polysaccharides by the process of anabolism. But polysaccharide is breakdown into disaccharide by the process of catabolism, and similarly in monosaccharides by the process of catabolism. As we already know, anabolism means energy consumed, while catabolism means energy released. Now, we will discuss about these three in detail. First of all, monosaccharides, that is glucose. These are three types of monosaccharides, that is glucose, fructose and galactose. First one is glucose. In our blood, glucose is present in about 80 to 120 mg per 100 ml. Study of blood is known as hematology. And pH of blood is 7.4. Now, fructose. Fructose is the sweetest carbohydrate. It is present in all the fruits. Fruct से fruits याद रखने के लिए. And study of fruits is known as pomology. Now last one is galactose. It is present in milk. National Dairy Research Institute is situated in Karnal. Monosaccharide is complete. Now second one is disaccharides. It is further divided into three parts. Glucose plus glucose gives maltose, means glucose, one molecule of glucose and one molecule of glucose. Two molecules of glucose form maltose in the presence of enzyme maltase. It is present in rice. Second one is glucose plus fructose gives sucrose in the presence of enzyme sucrase. It is present in the sugarcane. National Sugarcane Research Institute is situated in Lucknow. Last one is glucose plus galactose gives lactose in the presence of lactase enzyme, and it is present in mother's milk. Now last one is polysaccharides. For example, cellulose, starch, glycogen. Cellulose, as we already know, it is not digested by human body and it is helpful for the formation of papers. Second one is starch. It is present inside the plants, that is plants store their food in the form of starch. And last one is glycogen. Glycogen is present in animals, liver of animals, and as we already know, liver is known as the high regeneration power. Blood. Glycogen also provides us energy when glucose level is low. Now, blood. As we already discussed earlier, that glucose is present in our blood about 80 to 120 mg per 100 ml. If glucose level is increases around 150 to 150 mg per 100 ml, then excess of glucose forms glycogen. In the presence of glycogenesis means it is the process through which excess of glucose takes place to form glycogen. It is present in liver. As we already know, liver is the powerhouse, means chemical factory of human body, or you can say that richest source of protein is liver. Liver is this process takes place in the presence of one hormone, that is insulin hormone. This insulin hormone is secreted by beta cells. Now, these beta cells means these are the islets of Langerhans, means alpha, beta, gamma, pp. These beta cells are responsible for the formation of insulin hormone, and alpha cells are responsible for the formation of glycogen hormone. These gamma and pp are useful for the control of speed of secretion. This hall is known as islets of Langerhans. As we already know that if glucose level increases, then this. If glucose level decreases, then what happens? Around 40 to 60 mg per 100 ml. It is also takes place in liver by the process of glycogenolysis. Means glycogen is a breakdown into glucose. This process takes place in the presence of glycogen hormone, and this hormone is situated or secreted by alpha cells of pancreas. Last one is insulin. If insulin in our body decreases, then glucose level in our blood increases, and this leads to diabetes mellitus. It is a disease caused by decreases in insulin hormone. If ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, if the level of ADH decreases, then we suffer from a disease called as diabetes insipidus. And World Diabetes Day is celebrated on 14 November.